Hey guys, my name is Ganesh and I'm data analyst by profession and you are watching Analytic Community. So in last video, we watched 4 types of data analysis and in this video, we're going to learn the skills of choosing right type of visual for your analyzed data. So there are different types of visuals like line chart, bar chart, box plot, histograms, a heat map and other also. So choosing right type of visual for your analysis make more impact on your customer or end user to better understand your result. So let's consider you want to represent correlational data but you use bar chart, so that will be very hard work, that will make no sense to understand that data, right? You need to use scatter plot to represent your correlational data. So just like that we're going to learn every visualization that are most commonly used. So let's jump on my computer screen and we will see more about these visuals. So let's come up. How to choose right visual to represent your data. There are different types of visualizations that are used for different types of data. Here are some common types of visualizations and the types of data they are often used for. So our first visual is bar charts. So a bar chart used to show comparison between different categories or group of data such as sales by country or customer demographics. So here in example we have a sales in million of dollar, and we have on x-axis country names. So as we say, comparison between different categories. In our case we have country as a category, so we representing the sales by country. So to represent this kind of data we use bar chart. Second, line charts. Line charts used to show trends over the time such as stock price or website traffic. Now here you can see this trend of customers over the years. Now here you can see in 2001 the customer count is 50 and 2002 the customer count increased to 100. Now 2003 the customer count falls down between 60 or 70. Then in 2004 the customer count go up to 200. Then 2005 it goes to 250. Then again in 2006 it goes to 300 or 350. So here we can see clear trend in customer count. So or we can say we want to represent the trend of customer count over the years, so we use the line chart. Third, scatter plot. Scatter plots used to show relation between two variables such as correlation between age and income. Now here in example we can clearly see here are correlation between income and age. As soon as your age increase, the income also increase. Now just like this you can see here are two outliers at age of 30 to 34. So you need to get rid of and delete this outlier to increase accuracy of your analysis. So this type of correlation shown in scatter plot. You can see the data is lying exactly and increasing as your age increase, right? So you can say the income and age is highly correlated. Fourth, pie charts. Pie charts used to show how a whole is divided into parts such as percentage of sales by product category. Now here we have whole as 100%. Now here you can clearly see smartphones covering 50%, then computers is covering 25%, and then smartwatches, laptop and tablet is covering another 25%. So here in pie chart the data labels are common, and to show division of each category we use often colors and also represent the percentage of how much percentage it acquire in that pie. So here you can see computer is use red color, then smartphone use dark blue color, smartwatch use sky blue color, then laptop is yellow, and tablet is purple. So just like this, we use bar chart to represent the percentage of sales by category. Then fifth one is heat map. Heat maps used to show the density of data points or values in a two-dimensional space, such as distribution of crime rates by neighborhoods or risk heat map. So here you can see the impact and likelihood, and you can see this legends like catastrophic is stop, then unacceptable is urgent action, undesirable is action, then acceptable is monitor, or desirable is no action. So here in these squares you can see 1 2 3 4 6 9 8 12 10 60 50 20 and 25. So the more dense color or more higher color is has more risk, right? So 25 is has the most, or there is more risk, right? And if there is one and very light color, then there is, we can say, there is no risk. That's how the heat map is represented, or risk heat map is represented. Now in box plot used to show distribution of data and identify outliers such as distribution of salary across different department. Now it is explanation diagram of a box plot. It is not skewed. This diagram is used to explain the box plot. So we have here minimum, then maximum value in data set, then we have lower quartile which is Q1, then median, then upper quartile, and we have 25 whiskers and 25 whiskers here. And this whole from quartile 1 to quartile 3 we have interquartile range. So whatever the lies outside this interquartile range, we can say that is likely the outlier. So this box plot used to represent the or identify the outliers. 7. Histogram used to show distribution of single values such as distribution of number of employee in salary. So you can see here number of employee and salary in thousands of dollar. So we can say 40 to 50 thousands of dollar. uh, we have the range between 500 to 600 employee which is desiring or receiving salary between 40 to 50 thousands of dollar. So the data like this we use histogram. You can see here 500 to 600 number of employees receiving the salary of 40 to 50 thousands of dollar. So our last one is tree map. Tree map used to show hierarchy data as set of nested rectangles, which is size of each rectangle representing the relative importance of each category or subcategory. So what this mean? So you can see here this city names, and you can see this rectangle is big compared to this rectangle here. So what you can say, let's consider this is sales data, right? And this is category by cities, right? So you can see Casablanca is generating more sales because the size of rectangle is big and it is in dense color than Bangalore, which is very has a size less than other rectangles and very light in color, right? So that's how tree map is represented. The higher value that particular data point is representing in big and dense rectangle, and the lower value that data point is representing in small and light color. If you really enjoy this video, I like to invite you to join our this community, which is data analytic community, where I make video just like this to improve your skills in data analysis. So to join the data analytic community, what you need to do, just go below and click on red subscribe button, and you will be the member of this analytic community. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in next video. Until then, keep gaining knowledge. Bye bye.